Change your environment. Go somewhere warm or go someplace really cool. Compliments of James River Air. You'll reduce your carbon footprint and lower your fuel costs when you buy a James River Air 2-speed Prodigy heating system. Then fly away with a $500 airfare voucher. Compliments of James River Air. Codename Sun and Fun. Get a $2,000 rebate on our hybrid system, take 5 years to pay, and escape with a $500 airfare voucher. Then live comfortably ever after. Call or get the details at jamesriverair.com.